Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Net SDK, Visual Studio, and a running SQL Server instance. Once ready, create a new ASB. Net Core Mvc project using .NET New MVC or the IDE template. Next, add the EF Core SQL Server and tools NuGet packages so you can scaffold and migrate. This gives you provider support and CLI helpers. Make sure your project targets a compatible NET version and set up a connection string placeholder in app settings. JSON before you scaffold any DB context. You now define your models, POCO classes with primary keys and navigation properties, and create an application DB context that inherits DB context. On model creating, configure relationships, keys, and indexes so the schema matches expectations. This avoids surprises during migration. Once done, register the DB context in Program, CS or Startup. CS with Services. Add DB context application DB context. Ops equals ops. Use SQL Server, your connection string. Make sure to pull the connection. You generate and apply the schema with .NET F migrations, add initial followed by .NET F database update. This creates tables in SQL Server. Then seed essential data either in DB context, seed, or a startup seeder so the app has expected records. Test repository methods and MVC pages to ensure queries succeed. If something breaks, check the connection string, SQL Server authentication mode, and any EF Core exceptions. Enable detailed errors and examine SQL Server logs to pinpoint permission or syntax issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.